According to the securities lending desk here at Interactive Brokers, these were the 15 stocks that were the hardest to borrow the week of September 12th. The general definition of a hard to borrow stock is that the short seller is not able to borrow the stock at a rate comparable to the benchmark, or Fed funds rate for US-based traders. However, in the table below, the securities lending desk at Interactive Brokers took it a step further. They looked at all the stocks that clients were trying to short and how successful they were at getting a locate over the course of the past week. They looked at the number of customers who were rejected and how many were given subsequent locates after the initial rejection. In the end, they compiled a list of the stocks that traded at expensive borrow rates and were often difficult for clients to receive locates on. Now, this is one of a few charts from our securities lending desk that we publish every week on our Traders Insight blog, and today we wanted to take a look at two of the companies on the list, GoPro and MGT Capital Investments. Founded in 2002, GoPro manufactures action cameras along with video editing software. The company's price moved up quickly from its IPO debut of $24 in June of 2014, touching $98 in October of the same year. It has since fallen to under $15 as growth slowed, but the company made news recently with the launch of its newest product, a foldable drone they're calling Karma. The drone will go on sale in October and prices start at $799, but that does not include the camera. MGT Capital Investments has a market cap of under $50 million, but has been in the news frequently the last few months. In May, the stock, which was hovering under 40 cents, jumped to over $4 after the company announced John McAfee of antivirus fame would become the company's CEO. The company also announced it was pivoting from a mobile gaming company to cybersecurity investments and is in the process of buying two companies. Shares were over $3.25 on Friday, but dropped this week when MGT announced it received a subpoena from the SEC. Thanks for joining me on Traders Insight. For more market commentary, visit us online at ibkr.com/ti.